Hello, my name is Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video we're going to continue talking about how to become a computer technician. So in this class we are going to talk about sensitivity. So that is a very important issue that most computer technicians or most people that they start working in this profession, they don't think about these things. So this means sensitivity is the act of paying attention to the person, to the emotions, the feelings, and try to act according to those emotions and feelings from that customer. So many times the customer may get aggravated because we are on rush all the time, we are running around everywhere, and we have phone calls, we have text message, and meanwhile we are trying to fix his or her computer or the person that has the issue. We don't pay attention to those things, and then the people say, oh, this guy is not paying me attention, he or her start getting aggravated because of that. So that is one thing that we have to think. So when we go for first time to the customer, or when we enter in their company or business, or maybe their home because they're end users, something like that, we have to go and we have to play a role of detective sometimes, or we have to pay attention to the things that they are telling, because many times when they say few words, we say, okay, this is the issue, don't worry, you don't have to tell me anymore, I can start working on your computer or in your problem right away. And sometimes the customer, what he wants is to pay attention. I mean, he wants us to listen the whole story, maybe they want to vent because they have a bad day, or maybe they want to tell you the whole story, and you know, maybe you don't want to listen that, but it's our job to be able to listen the customer, and so he can feel comfortable with us. Otherwise, we are not going to keep the customer for a very long time. So that is one of the things that I wrote here. Emotions, feelings, don't be on the rush, so don't be running around all the time, like I said before. Just if you go, listen the customer, put the cell phone in silence and listen everything what he has to say, and after that, once you start working on the computer, or maybe if you get some very important call or something like that, you can say, oh, excuse me, sir, I have to answer this phone call. You apologize, and then you try to come back right away and work with their problem. So that is one thing. Also, sometimes we usually, or we as technician, we have the problem of just being like selfish, or just being concentrated in our work, and we try to ignore everything else around us. So that is one thing. And the other thing is religion, because not everyone thinks as we think, and I don't know what religion you are, or maybe from what part of the world you are, but everyone is different. So what I'm trying to say here is, if you go to a customer and this customer is an Asian or something like that, he wants you to walk in his office, you know, barefoot or something like that, we have to follow that instruction, so the customer will feel comfortable with us and will be more relaxed. Also, you have to think that maybe you have to do a job or something like that, doing a networking, or maybe surveillance system or something like that, and the customer, maybe they say, no, this is New Year for us, or maybe another holiday that they may have that you don't have, or vice versa. So if that is the issue, we have to accommodate our hours or schedule to the customer. So that is how it works. So that is one of the things that you have to think about when you start dealing with customers, so that way everything is going to be fine and people are going to be happy with you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember, there are more videos like this in the playlist, so if you want to see the whole series, how to become a computer technician.